If you're someone who uses the WhatsApp status feature a lot, you would be disappointed to see photos getting blurry on WhatsApp statuses. If this is an issue you have been facing on your phone, here are some fixes that will help you solve it. The primary reason why your photos may get blurry on WhatsApp status is an unstable or weak internet connection. Try connecting to a Wi-Fi network if you're at your home, office, or in a public place that has Wi-Fi connectivity. If you're using mobile data, ensure you're using 4G or 5G networks, and you're in an area with good cellular connectivity. If you're someone who uses WhatsApp on their desktop or computer, you would know that WhatsApp Web works rather slowly at times. This is because it syncs all the data via your smartphone. So it is advisable to switch to your smartphone and try viewing the status via the app. If it appears fine, you know the error where it was caused. Clearing an app's cache can fix several issues with it, including this one where the WhatsApp status is blurred. Of course, this is only applicable on an Android phone and not if you're using an iPhone. Here's how you can do it. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Navigate to the Apps section. Tap on See All Apps. Scroll down till you find WhatsApp and tap on it. Select Storage and Cache. Finally, choose the Clear Cache option. For iPhone users, if you're using a metered network connection or a mobile hotspot, your iPhone will automatically enable low data mode. This will prevent apps like WhatsApp from using data properly and can result in blurry status updates. You need to turn it off to see if this fixes your issue. To do that, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Wi-Fi. Now select the small blue circle with the eye icon next to the network the iPhone is connected to. Turn off the toggle next to Low Data Mode. iOS also gives you the option to allow apps to refresh in the background even when they're not in use. So this might be the underlying cause for your blurry status problem on WhatsApp. To fix it, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom till you find WhatsApp and tap on it. Enable the toggle next to Background App Refresh. And that's it. Lastly, it might be a good idea to uninstall WhatsApp and install it once again, especially if there are no updates available for the app. A quick reinstall may fix the issue for all you know. So go ahead and uninstall WhatsApp from your device, and then go to the App Store or the Play Store to install WhatsApp again. Hopefully, you are now able to successfully fix the blurry status updates issue on WhatsApp. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.